guys, so I'm gonna introduce the Kobalt wireless drill, and I'm gonna show you guys how to use it. I also have some of the tools that you can use with this. All you gotta do to insert it is twist right here. That's to tighten, and to loosen, just turn it counterclock. I said counterclockwise. I just said clockwise. Just kidding. Counterclockwise and clockwise. Don't mind me. I'm a silly person. But yeah, see, I just made myself blush. But yeah, that's how you loosen it, and that's how you tighten it. This one also has a wireless battery. See? To check if it is fully charged, just press this button right here. And right now mine's at 3 bars. That means it's pretty good, but if you see all 4 bars, then that means it's fully charged. And when you press the button and there's no green light, that means it's dead. Or it'll just be red. So very simple to insert the battery. You just take the drill, take the battery, and stick it in. And you're gonna hear that click. Once you hear that click, you know it's good to go. And just slightly press it. You're gonna see a light right here. That means the battery is on. Push it down a little harder, and you'll see it twisting. So over here, there's a little button right here, and this controls whether it turns clockwise or counterclockwise. So right now I have it pushed in from the left side, and pushing in from the left side, that turns clockwise. If I was facing the drill, it would be turning clockwise. But if I push this button in, then the drill is going to rotate counterclockwise if I was facing the drill. You see? Very simple. Okay, so some of the accessories that I have for my drill is this Kobalt Speed Fit. And voila, look what it has inside. It has the metric hex bit, and then right here are the drill bits if you want to drill a hole for like screwing in something. And then this one right here is actually, I forgot what this tool is called. I should look it up. But anyway, this tool is one of the accessories that you use to attach to your drill if you want to make a hole. For example, you're installing a doorknob and you want to make a little hole. You could use one of these, or get a bigger size if you need. And you can use these as just like a regular like a Phillips extension on your drill if you need it. But for this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use a drill bit, or how to make a hole using the Kobalt drill and drill bit. You ready? Either one of these works. I'm gonna go ahead and drill 4 small holes.